Hi, my name is Penny Fletcher, and I was honored to join the Laramie County Library Foundation Board last summer. I am super excited to talk to you about the summer reading program that started May 22nd. Have you signed up yet? If not, you need to. One of the things I'm very excited about this year and this summer is getting back into reading. This has been such a strange spring for everybody, with so much more computer time working from home and so much more streaming of TV shows and movies because we're not able to get out and interact with the community. So I've seen a lot of good movies, but I'm really excited to just crack open a good book. You know, so many of the TV shows and movies that we all enjoy, from Game of Thrones and Longmire to The Hunger Games and Jumanji, and my personal holiday favorite, The Polar Express, are based on books. And while I love all of those productions and I think they've done such an amazing job with them, it's not the same as reading the book and having it paint the picture yourself. So please join the summer reading program, pick up a good book, and it may inspire you to go see the movie as well.